Hey, how's it going, Ben? This is Douglas James. I appreciate the time you're taking to watch this video presentation that I made for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we are going to scale your carpet cleaning business in the New York area. All right, we want to get you more targeted, qualified leads, all right, so that you can grow your business in New York and really get more carpet cleaning business out there. So I'm going to jump right into the video here. Okay, as you can see, we're on my company's page, amplocal.com. Please visit us for more information. So what I'm going to be talking to you about is Facebook advertising. Okay, Facebook is incredibly huge. The market is changing. All right, Facebook now has 1.7 billion users. That's over a sixth of the population. Okay, and that's Mark Zuckerberg. I'm sure you can read all the information on him and Facebook and how many people are actually on there. People are on Facebook 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and they're constantly opting in and looking for information. Okay, so we're going to be placing an ad in front of these people that are through this targeted audience that are on Facebook. Okay, so Facebook actually allows us to target very specific interests and demographics of individuals that would need your services. Okay, so it's a very powerful tool, and we can pay almost nothing per engagement. So let me go ahead and jump into the ad. So what I did is I went ahead and created the campaign for you to show you what it looks like. Okay, so you know what we're getting into here. So what we have found in Facebook marketing, that it's best to advertise from a community page. Okay, so that people don't feel like they're being sold by a business. Okay, so I made this community page called New York Carpet Cleaners. It's very to the point. There's no question what this page is for. And I said this page is designed to display carpet cleaning experts in our local community. Okay, so it's a trusted site to earn rapport. And so this is the ad right here that we will advertise. Okay, this is where the prospect will first come to. All right, obviously it's not going to be on the page. It would pop up on their feed, and it says attention New York. Okay, so it's getting their attention. Do you know anyone in need of carpet cleaning service? Follow here. Okay, it's going to go to a landing page. New York Carpet Cleaners are offering a free estimate to all local residents. They specialize in residential and commercial carpet cleaning, and even offer various upholstery services as well. Follow here, and there's another link. Okay, and then we have a photo, which is what's called a native photo. It looks like it's natural. There's nothing salesy, no words on the photo, no logos or anything like that. Just a native, actual, natural photo of someone cleaning carpets. Okay, so this looks really non-salesy and non-aggressive approach to marketing. Okay, so they're going to read this and they're going to want to click on this link. So they're going to click on the link, and it's going to bring them to this page here where it says welcome to the New York Carpet Cleaners. Enter your information to receive a free carpet cleaning estimate. Okay, and then we have their to qualify our client, number of rooms, hallways, number of stairs, and then they have the they put in their name, email, phone number, and city, state, zip. Okay, it looks like and it automatically generates information. It looks like it generated my information. And then at the bottom, we ask this question because we want to strike emotion in them. Okay, would you like us to send you a free list of our services? Okay, yes, I would love that. No, I'm good, thanks. And then get my estimate. Okay, and then as you can see in the background, we have a nice picture of a family on some clean carpet. Okay, just very relevant, just to build trust and rapport with the client. So that is what the ad looks like, and that's what the funnel looks like, and you'll get all this information to call, email, and then you'll actually have quality information to give them a reasonable quote over the phone and set up the appointment, even to come out and look if you'd like. So once you get all this information, you have a very qualified lead. Okay, so let me show you behind the scenes. Okay, what's the actual targeting? What's the good stuff here? So this is my Facebook Ads Manager. So what I have done is I've actually targeted out to New York City. Okay, at a 35-mile radius. Okay. So this is going to target everyone in that location, okay, all of those hyper locations and cities there. And we have a age range of 25 up to 65, okay, so and then here's the juicy stuff, okay, so as you can see here, we can type in demographics, interests, and behaviors of individuals. So in here, you know, we have home, house, homeowners, carpet cleaning, different carpet cleaning companies in the New York area, and just we've compiled this list of the exact keywords that we need to target the right individuals that would be interested in your service. Okay, and as you can see, our targeting is so on point that Facebook has actually told us this is a perfect targeting strategy, and it's right in the center up in the green. Okay, so that's your audience definition. So that shows you these are all of your the exact interest and demographics and behaviors of individuals that would need carpet cleaning services. You know, apartment owners, condominium owners, you know, homeowners, all that good stuff. And that's the biggest thing with Facebook. A lot of people don't realize that the targeting has to be 100%, and Facebook has to give you good feedback. So the potential reach here is 6.6 million people, and as you can see, we'll be targeting with this investment. We'll be targeting 13,000 to 35,000 people per day. Okay, so that's around 20,000 or so, 20 to 25,000 people per day you'll be reaching with this ad. Okay, and then obviously there's a conversion, and I'll get into that in a moment. I can actually tell you exactly how many closed deals you should be having by the end of the month. Okay, so that's the targeting of the ad. Okay, this is the most important part. So let me show you exactly what they'll be clicking on. So this is the ad. I kind of showed you this earlier, right? From the Facebook page, the ad, right? This is just what it looks like in the ad manager builder here. So it'll look like this, you know, like the page, and then the mobile view will look something like this. Okay, 80% of people are actually going to be clicking on it from the mobile device. Well, brings me to one other quick point real quick I wanted to tell you about is the placement of the ad. We're not going to let Facebook, you know, recommend the placements automatically. We want to edit them. We want to take out Audience Network, Instagram, and take out the right column, okay? Because we found that people, 90% of people actually are going to click on it from the feed, from the mobile feed, from the center of the page, okay, from a mobile device or on a desktop, okay, and 80% are actually going to click from the phone. So these three options really are just going to eat your budget and not get you any conversions. So that's why we have it set like that. So that's very important. But again, that's what it's going to look like on the mobile device. So as you can see, it looks very natural, not aggressive, and it's going to get some conversions. So that's what the funnel looks like, okay? That's everything I wanted to show you. I already had built everything for you. So now let's talk numbers. You know, what is this campaign really going to provide you? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, you know, 20 to 25,000 per day is going to be the average. So let's lowball it. Let's call it 20,000 per day for 30 days. So we will reach 600,000 people per month on average. Okay, then you take 600,000 multiplied by 20%. These are the people that actually stop their feed and read the post. Okay, so here's your post, right? So they'll be scrolling their feed, you know, and only 20% of them will actually stop and look at the post and then take action on it. Click and go to your website here. Okay, so about a fifth of all of them, and that number comes to 120,000 people. So you take the 120,000 and then you multiply that by 1%. Okay, this number we found ranges anywhere between 1 and 3%, so we're lowballing it for you and just calling it 1%. 1% it's a good place to be. So that's going to produce 1,200 leads. So that 1% is actually going to be people that have actually submitted information on this page. Okay, whether it be complete or incomplete, they submit their information. Okay. And from that conversion, okay, 1,200, you take the 1,200, multiply by 10%, and this is going to get your actual customers. So at this point, they've submitted all their information. They've contacted you, you've contacted them, and at least 10% of them are going to turn into actual clients where they exchange money for services. So you're looking at about 120 new customers per month. So I went ahead, this next part I added in here. You can do this math yourself, but I have a rough understanding of, you know, carpet cleaning. I've been in the carpet cleaning business and done lead generation, so I know about where it would cost, you know, for a 3-4 bedroom home with hallways and what have you. So I went ahead and just did some math, just to kind of give you an idea of the value. So if you bare bone minimum get 120 clients a month at $250 per job, that's $30,000 of additional revenue to your business. Okay, so then if you take 30,000, okay, and then here's the investment. It's $5,000, okay, to generate this amount of business. If you take the 30,000 and multiply it by your investment of 5,000, you're going to get a number of 6, and that 6 is 600% return on your investment. So that means for every dollar you put into this, you got $6 back. That is an incredible investment. Most people in business, I don't care what you're doing, wish they had that type of investment. So that is really awesome that I was able to put that together for you. So that pretty much ends the video presentation. And I really hope that this makes sense for you. Again, Ben, I really appreciate the time you took to watch this. You have my contact information. You know, I really want to work with you, and I really want to lock elbows with you. And my team and my company are prepared to work with you and really grow your business out there in New York and bring you more leads and really blow up out there. So what we put together, you know, has proven over and again, the conversions and the numbers. It's really a numbers game. It's simple math, just like I showed you on how it works. So please get back to me. Let me know your thoughts, and I'd love to move forward. You know, this process again is scalable, so we can grow it as big as you want, and we could go, you know, as small as you want. It's up to you. But we're here to help you and work in your business, for your business, so you can focus on your business. So again, thank you for your time, Ben, and I'll be in touch. You have a great day.